Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR ZIP Archives on INFINIX Hot 12i. So in order to do this, first you will need to get the RAR app. We've shown you how to download it in our other video. Now let's locate the files that we want to pack. Select each of the file, click on this plus button. Here you'll be able to change any archiving options, so there's a lot of them. And I'm just gonna change the name. You can browse through them and just pick whichever settings you like for your RAR file. Click OK to save that, and that way we'll create a RAR file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.